how to migrate to Systeme.io from other platforms. So if you are thinking to migrate your business to Systeme.io, then in this video I will tell you what are the methods or what are the different ways you have to migrate your business in from some other platforms to Systeme.io. So let's just begin the video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain and I am a system and marketing coach for solopreneurs, and in this video I am going to talk about how you can migrate your business to Systeme.io. So the first method that you can use to migrate your business from Systeme.io is what you will do is you will first create a free account in Systeme.io, and after that what will happen is you will start building your funnel in Systeme.io that you have in some other platforms. Okay. And whenever you feel that yes, there is a need to unlock some paid features, you can immediately upgrade to the paid plan and you can keep building your funnels by yourself. So this is the first method in which you will do the work by yourself, and it will apply to you if you are a techie person, if you are if you have a little bit idea about like creating landing pages and graphics and all. Okay, and if you know a little bit of integration, like how to link the various elements of a funnel. So if you are a little bit techie and if you know and you have a little bit of experience about all these things, yes, you can go and do it by yourself, because Systeme.io is not a very complex tool. If you will start using it, the learning curve will be not that long, and you will be able to do it by yourself as well. But this option is not good for you if you don't have any marketing background, if you don't know how to design, and if you have never built a landing page, then I would not recommend to do it by yourself. So here comes the second way. The second way is what you can do is you can go to a freelancing platform like Fiverr or Upwork, and what you can do is you can hire someone who can do this thing for you. So basically what you will do is you will create an account in Systeme.io. You will upgrade your plan, you will take the paid plan as per your requirement, and then what you will do is you will hire a freelancer that will help you to do that will create your landing pages on Systeme.io that you already have in some other platform, right? You are already have it in a different platform. The person will go through that funnel and just duplicate that funnel in Systeme.io. So the work will not be that much for that person, because you are simply just duplicating your existing funnel into Systeme.io, and for that the charges will be not that high, but yes, it is definitely going to cost you more. So this is the second option that you can go for. But there is one more method that you can follow, and and this method is you can if you have a budget and if your budget allows you, then what you can do is you can actually go with the unlimited plan of Systeme.io, because this unlimited plan comes with the free migration to Systeme.io. So basically what will happen is when you go with this plan, the Systeme.io team will do all the work. You don't have to worry about the migration. They will take care of it. They will arrange a call with you. They will look into your funnel, and then what they will do is they will migrate the entire thing into Systeme.io. So this is going to be an option in which your business will be completely migrated to Systeme.io without spending any extra money. You will have the unlimited plan of Systeme.io along with your business completely migrated to Systeme.io, and also they will provide you some free coaching calls as well, which is help you to understand the platform well. So this is how it's going to work. So if you have the budget and if your budget allows you to go with the unlimited plan, I would highly recommend that you should consider it and you should go with it. And if you are interested to get this plan, then just check the link in the description. You can get it from my link. And what you will get is you will get the access to my Crush It with Systeme.io mastermind, in which what will happen is you will get the free calls with me, in which you will be able to discuss about your marketing. You will be discuss about the problems that you could be facing in your funnels, and it will be once in a month, and we will connect, and we will like discuss about the problems that you guys are facing there in while using System.io. And even if you have any marketing problem or any strategy problem, we can also talk and discuss about it and come up with the solution. So it's a complimentary bonus which you will get if you will go with unlimited plan with my link. So you can check the link in the description. It is also flashing on the screen. Just go check out bonus page, and in this bonus page you will get all the details how you need to sign up for System.io to be eligible for this exclusive mastermind for the paid System.io users. Okay, so these are the three ways you now you have. The first one is you do it by yourself, the second one is you do it by hiring a freelancer, and the third one is you can go with the unlimited plan of System.io, or in which the System.io team will take care of it. So just think which one suits you best according to your budget, according to the requirements, and then just go with it. And if you choose to go with third option, then just simply check the link for my affiliate link in the description. So that's all for this video, but I have tons of videos on my channel related to System.io. Just go watch them. There is an exclusive playlist that you can watch, and there is a video on the screen which is flashing. Just tap it and watch that video also.